Hot, creamy, and very delicious. This white coffee recipe is worth trying because it's just perfect. The recipe is going to be very simple and easy, and you can make the recipe is going to be very simple and easy to prepare, and it's going to take you around 5 minutes of your time, whether it's early in the morning or in the office, to make yourself this delicious white coffee recipe. There are different ways that you can make a good cup of coffee. So today we are going to be going very simple. To prepare this delicious coffee recipe, you'll need a few ingredients which are going to be very basic. I have 2 cups of milk over here. Also, I have some sugar, some instant coffee, and some water to balance out the milk. So the recipe is going to be very simple and easy, and the outcome is going to be a delicious cup of white coffee. So you're going to move over to your stove top where you have placed a pot, and then next you're going to be adding in your milk. So when it comes to milk, there are different types of milk. For this recipe, I'm going to be using cow's milk. If you're a vegan, you can use either oat milk or almond milk or any vegan friendly milk. So you're going to add in your milk into your pot. Add in half a cup of water. Once you've added in your milk and water, you're going to wait for everything to come to a boil, and that is going to take around a minute or even 2 minutes, depending on how much white coffee you're going to be making. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using instant coffee because that is what I take every day. Buy a good quality of instant coffee that is going to make very delicious coffee. In a whisk, you're going to whip up your milk for around 2 minutes so that the milk can turn out very frothy to make our coffee. The whisk is going to be a very simple kitchen essential that is going to make our coffee to turn out just like the one you buy in the coffee shops. After 2 minutes, this is how the milk is looking like. So I'm going to put out the flames, transfer my milk to a jug. Pick a cup, and then in your cup you're going to add in coffee and sugar. For me, I'll go for 1 teaspoon of sugar. And add in my milk. Using a spoon, you're going to stir in the coffee and sugar until fully combined with the milk. And once the instant coffee and sugar are fully dissolved into the milk, your white coffee is ready to take. So I'm going to have a taste. So good. I love that the coffee is not too sweet and it's very creamy since we added in lots of milk. So this is a very nice way that you can enjoy a cup of hot white coffee, and it's going to be very delicious. As you have seen, the recipe is very simple and needs very basic ingredients. And if you're a coffee lover, this is the recipe for you. So catch you on my next episode.